Alrighty guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to connect your GoHighLevel account to CloseBot. That way CloseBot can create contacts, book appointments. Pretty much this is how we integrate it with GoHighLevel, okay? So the first things first is you want to go here to your sources tab. As you can see, I already have my spa added. I'm going to show you though how to add it again using my other sub account here. Now you have two things to choose from right now. You can choose between a HighLevel sub account or the LeadConnector sub account. They're pretty much the same, just the LeadConnector sub account is kind of like the white labeled version of GoHighLevel. That way people don't know it's GoHighLevel. So I'm going to go ahead and choose HighLevel here for me. I'm going ahead and hit next here. And then we're going to hit connect. You see something pop up. As you can see here, it's asking us to log in. It may actually just push you straight to it. So you can go ahead and do that. Log in to your GoHighLevel. Usually just doing that, it should log it in. Then you can swap back over here. Right, let it load up a bit. Sometimes go back and then try it again. Let's see. Oh, there you go. So going back and trying it again, and then you just scroll down here. Gives you everything that it does, what it accesses. Okay, go find the note next right here. Click on that, and then here you choose your sub account. Give it a little bit to load, and here is kind of give you the details of your business. Just make sure it's the correct one. Hit next. Click the little acknowledgement here. And then hit add source. All right, so now I'm going to show you a little bit more about the sources and what to expect when you actually open up the settings. Here, as you can see, it just tells you the sub account, the address, and you have a couple options here. Bot auto shut off on manual reply. That way, if somebody actually replies on the GoHighLevel app or anybody replies manually back to the customer, the bot will stop working. That way you don't have, two replies, like the bot's trying to keep the conversation going while you're actually responding to the customer. So this is a quick way to turn off the bot. Graceful goodbye is basically when the bot feels the conversation is over, it won't actually try to have the last say so like it usually does. So it kind of turns off the bot. And here, if you want to leave the conversation as unread, that's totally up to you. I use this right now as I'm testing, so I can go back and I can look at the conversations as it's actually running live. And then for the users here, I'm the only one, right? So you'd see a drop down a box of more if there was actually, in fact, more people here. And now here, you will be able to see where the job flows that are connected to it. So for my Zen Crowd Health Spa, I have an appointment setter flow, which is basically like a bot receptionist that tries to book them into one of our 3 services. And then here, the CBS appointment confirmation flow, I run a VSL, right? So a video sales letter on Facebook ads, and then they book there, and then this bot actually confirms that appointment. It reaches out to make sure they're able to make it. If not, it'll reschedule them. So these are the 2 bots that I'm using, and they're killing it right now. I literally don't have to do anything. My wife is the one that's doing the treatment, so I have this stuff running on autopilot, and I'm out here making videos to show you guys how you can use it as well to kind of do the same thing for your clients or for yourself. Job flow variables, these are basically like custom values. I'll go more into detail later because it's a little bit confusing. There's 2 different locations where you edit this. In the agents, you add this, and then here you have to come and fill out the variables. But like I said, I'll go into detail a little bit later. Now, the next thing here is going to be the availability. And you can't see it here, but in the job flow, you can allow for follow-ups. And this source setting here will basically create like a time window in which the bot will follow up. So it's kind of like, so it doesn't follow up like at midnight. This sets constraints on when it will actually follow up. And remember, it only for follow-ups if you manually set them in the agent, right? But anyways, I'll go more into detail later. I don't want to confuse you guys here. And then here is just to rebuild. I haven't really tinkered with this too much, so I'm not really too familiar with what it is, but I would imagine it's to rebuild whatever the cost it's costing you to your client. Save and close. And that's pretty much it for the sources, guys. On the next video, I want to be showing you guys how to connect your AI providers so we can start actually testing the bot. Okay, so see you guys on the next one.